For TraderInsight.com, I'm Adrian Manns, and it's time for your daily dose of the doctor. We are going to take a look at two Baltimore chop setups. I'm going to tell you, I screwed this trade up first thing in the morning. So we had two in the steel sector. The first one was NUE Corporation, ticker symbol NUE. And as you see here, we had a pretty textbook kind of an entry opportunity. We had a nice 2 standard deviation gap to the upside, followed by a deeper pullback, right? When I say pullback, I mean this move here is just representative of a pullback from this price here. And when we put this low in, we had an entry opportunity just below there with an initial target down at the closing price of the first bar of trading. And then, of course, we also had the opportunity for a price extension down to around 57.25. So 57.70 was the first target, and 57.25 would have been the second target. Now, what happened? We got in, started traveling lower. We hit an area that represented to us the opportunity to move the stop to break even. We did that. Stock turned around, took us right back out again at the entry price, and then it was into the first half hour of trading before we got another low that would have been tradable. So this one was off the table, and look what it did. Went all the way down and hit that target that we had established earlier in the session. So sometimes I guess it would be worth watching these for a few minutes after the half hour mark. But the real heartbreak here was that while we were watching NUE Corp, we missed an opportunity in U.S. Steel Corporation. So this one did the same move first thing in the morning, and it looked to me like it didn't really have enough of a potential move from the low of the pullback bar, which would have been around 46.05 or so on the entry. And then when you looked at the low of that first bar, 45.52, in retrospect, it wasn't so bad at all. But, sometimes you're making these decisions on the fly, and it's difficult to watch two of these Baltimore chop stocks at once and make a decision. We picked NUE Corp, and in fact, U.S. Steel was the one that made the money. So it came up here, gave us this nice deep pullback. A violation of this low would have been the entry price. A first target down at the close, the first bar of trading. Second target down at the low of the first bar of trading. All the usual parameters, all the usual things that we look for on these. And then look at this beautiful extension. So, lesson learned. Got to stay frosty first thing in the morning. Sometimes it's not so easy, especially here on the Pacific Coast. But for those of you who got it, congratulations. And I'm just going to chalk this one up to a little bit of bad luck on my part. So if you have any questions, shoot me an email, adrian@traderinsight.com. I hope you had a great trading day, and I hope you have an even better one in store tomorrow. The best trader education anywhere, only from traderinsight.com.